How to recover SendGrid password. So first you will need to navigate to the login page. So go to the SendGrid login page by clicking on sign in right here. So in SendGrid, all you need is your email address, because once you've input your email address, it will basically send a verification code to either your phone that is associated with your account or the email address that you used. So there will be a code that will be sent there, and you will just simply need to put that code here on the next screen or on the next step to basically log into your account. So that's how the process works. So if you forgot your username somehow, you could just simply paste your email address right here and a code will be sent right there. Because as you can see, the only option right here is forgot your username, and there's no forgot password option. So if I click on forgot username, you will be brought right here. And if you enter an email address, SendGrid will send you a list of usernames associated with it. And once that's done, you will just simply need to put it right here. So I'm just going to show you what I said earlier. So I'm going to put my email and I'm just going to click on verify. Then click on continue. So since I've logged in earlier, it redirected me right here on my SendGrid account. But if you haven't logged in for a while, it should send you a verification code on your email or on your phone number. So just make sure that you remember your username and your email address that you use to basically access your SendGrid account. And that is how you basically recover your SendGrid password.